Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp on your Google Pixel. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, tap the gear icon on your device to open up the settings menu. This is where you'll find all the tools you need to troubleshoot and manage your applications effectively. Once you're in settings, look for the option labeled Apps and tap on it. This section gives you access to all the applications installed on your Pixel, along with their individual settings and performance details. Next, tap on See All Apps. This will display a complete list of every application currently on your device, making it easier to locate the specific app you want to fix. Now scroll down through the list until you find WhatsApp and tap on it. This will open the detailed settings page for WhatsApp where you can manage permissions, storage, and other important functions related to the app. The first solution you can try is to tap Force Stop. This immediately closes WhatsApp and all its background processes, which can often resolve minor glitches or freezing issues. It's a quick fix that doesn't delete any of your data or conversations, so it's always worth trying first. If that doesn't solve the problem, move on to the second solution. Tap on Storage and Cache to access these settings. Once you're inside, tap Clear Cache. Clearing the cache removes temporary files that can sometimes cause the app to slow down or behave unexpectedly. This won't delete your messages or media, it simply refreshes the app's temporary data to help it run more smoothly. Now, if you're still experiencing issues, the third solution is to tap Clear Storage. This option is more thorough than clearing the cache because it resets the app to its original state. Keep in mind that this will log you out of WhatsApp, so you'll need to sign back in and restore your chat backup if you have one. However, it's one of the most effective ways to resolve persistent problems with the app. And that's it. You've just gone through 3 reliable solutions to fix WhatsApp on your Google Pixel, from a quick force stop to a full storage reset. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.